Hey guys, I'm Angela.
I'm Celeste
from A to the Twist. In 4-H, there's a gardening project where you grow vegetables and display them in the 4-H fair.
You will learn growing, harvesting, and storage techniques.
The recipe for this week is hummus with veggies and pita.
We want to thank Cornell University Cooperative Extension for giving us this recipe.
Before we get started, make sure to try this recipe at home to earn your points for the Learn and Earn section.
And subscribe to our YouTube channel,
A to the Twist,
for more recipes.
Let's get started! For this recipe, you will need one 15-ounce can of chickpeas or garbanzo beans.
You will also need 1 clove of garlic.
We're going to be using a blender for this recipe, but you can also mash the ingredients by hand.
If you choose to mash the ingredients by hand instead of blending it, then you can use 1/8 teaspoon of garlic powder instead of 1 clove of garlic.
You will need 3 tablespoons of lemon juice and half a teaspoon of salt.
You will also need 6 tablespoons of water and 3 tablespoons of tahini or peanut butter. Tahini is smooth sesame seeds, and we never tried this before, so this is going to be new.
Lastly, you will need 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive or other vegetable oil.
An optional item is 1/4 teaspoon of paprika.
First, we are going to peel and crush 1 clove of garlic.
We're going to be using this special tool that our mom bought, and you put the clove of garlic inside and push it, and it comes out of here or here. So it's way easier than chopping it up with a knife. Next, we're going to drain and rinse our can of chickpeas.
Now we're going to move over to our blender.
We're going to put 1 clove of crushed garlic and 3 tablespoons of lemon juice in the blender.
Next, we're going to add half a teaspoon of salt and 1 cup of chickpeas in the blender.
Now we're going to add 3 tablespoons of water into the blender and blend it until it's smooth.
Or you can mash it by hand.
We blended it for about 45 seconds and now it's smooth. Next, we're going to add the 2nd cup of chickpeas and another 3 tablespoons of water.
After that, we blend or mash it by hand. Now we add 3 tablespoons of tahini or peanut butter and 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil to the blender.
And we blend it again until smooth.
Make sure to shake your tahini before you use it, and it even says it on the bottle. You can add more water if it's too thick or if you want it to be creamier.
Five hours later.
I think we shook it well enough. Once it's done, we're going to scoop our hummus into a bowl.
If you want, you can sprinkle paprika on top.
This is our finished hummus.
We're going to serve it with raw veggies and pita chips.
Let's go try it. We have our wonderful plating, and we're going to try our hummus with veggies and pita. Let's try it.
The texture of the hummus we made is very smooth.
You can really taste the garlic in it.
And that was our hummus with veggies and pita.
Make sure to try this recipe at home to earn your points for the Learn and Earn section.
And subscribe to our YouTube channel, A to the Twist, for more recipes.
Thanks for watching.
See you next time. Bye!